We're going to be closing out the work week on a pretty similar note. We've been tracking a lot of the same things the last couple of days, but we're going to throw a wrinkle into things as we get into this afternoon. That's going to be that possibility of picking up a few showers and thunderstorms, but I still don't think it's going to keep that heat index out of that triple-digit range here as we get into our Friday. This is that complex of storms, and over the last couple of scans, it looks like this is now finally starting to split, and that's kind of how we expected this. And this southern branch right here that's in northern Nebraska right now is going to keep diving off toward the south. That's what's going to be headed our direction, almost due south, right along that Missouri River. As we get into about lunchtime or so, you might notice the clouds starting to increase a little bit out ahead of that system. But I still think the bulk of the showers and thunderstorms is going to stay back toward places like Kansas City and Topeka as we get into this afternoon, right on into this evening. But some of that, again, still could spill as far east as about Highway 63 as we get into about 5 and 6 o'clock tonight. So maybe have the umbrella handy as we step outside today. We're going to want to have that bottle of water as well, as hot as it's going to be. Those will work their way off toward the south again. They'll clear the area by about 11 or 12 o'clock tonight. We'll be done with that. As we get into tomorrow, we do have that shot at picking up some showers. I'm not really buying it right now, though, as we get into our Saturday. Getting back into today, again, that severe threat, there is one, but I think mostly going to be staying back toward the west, and that's what those folks over at the Storm Prediction Center think as well. I mentioned, though, going to be showing up a little bit too late to really help us out a whole lot. That heat index still in the upper 90s to near 100 degrees. So plan on that as we get into get out the door. Just know we do have that shot at picking up some showers, especially back toward that Highway 65 corridor, so places like Sedalia down toward Lake of the Ozarks later on today. That's about our best shot at picking up some rain really going forward over that ABC 17 Storm Track 7-day forecast. Going to be a little bit drier. You see those overnight lows falling back into the 60s, so that humidity is going to relax a bit, but we're still in the 90s all the way through Monday.